Stop learning AI theory. Start building production-ready intelligence with the Systemdr 180-day AI and machine learning course. This comprehensive residency takes you from first principles to production-ready models through 5 portfolio projects and 4 specialized AI courses. Most AI courses teach only syntax, which breaks down in production. You get stuck in tutorial hell where models fail under load and you can't figure out why. This keeps you at the junior level when roles demand more. Staying in tutorial hell means career stagnation, earning below your worth, and missing the massive AI boom. Engineers who master the full stack command significantly higher salaries. Every month you delay is an opportunity lost. This is an engineering residency, not a course. The curriculum covers 180 structured days, 5 portfolio projects, production patterns like model drift and scaling, and intuition behind the math. No PhD required. We teach what works. Learn from engineers who have shipped systems at big tech and fintech scale. Our instructors offer battle-tested wisdom and zero academic fluff. We treat every student like a senior engineer who needs the right context, not hand-holding. You will build 5 production-ready systems that solve real business problems. These include the Oracle Real Estate Engine, the Guardian Fraud Detection System, the Matchmaker Recommender, the Visionary Image Classifier, and the Sentient News Analyzer. Let's deep dive into the Guardian. It uses Ensemble ML to handle class imbalance, a real production challenge. You'll master feature engineering and build a full inference pipeline with real-time latency targets. You'll learn through a residency cycle. Start with a zero abstraction approach, build intuition first, and follow a write-break-fix workflow. You will master the full AI lifecycle: build, evaluate, deploy, and monitor. Our 180-day curriculum is split into 4 clear modules. You start with the Bedrock, move to predict and classify, then patterns and rewards, culminating in deep intelligence, which includes neural networks and NLP. This program is built for builders, engineers, SREs, architects, product managers, and UI/UX designers. It requires basic logic and a hacker mindset. No prior math or AI experience is required. We build the ladder as we climb it. Our students achieve real outcomes. Back-end engineers gain the production lens, and ML engineers master complex concepts like backpropagation. Students often ship prototypes at work just weeks after starting the projects. Here's what you get: 180-day curriculum, 5 production-grade projects, working source code, and full access to 4 complete courses. All plans include 1 month free access, making it zero risk to try. Choose your path to production. Try it first for $29 per month, or choose the best value annual plan at $197.34 per year, which saves you 43%. The ultimate bundle is a one-time price of $499 and includes all 4 courses. Start building, stop watching tutorials. Gain 5 portfolio projects and full source code with 1 month free access. The AI skill gap is widening. Every month you wait is a month behind. Enroll now at systemdrd.com. Thank you for watching this video. Systemdr provides production-ready skills for modern developers. You can find more details and enroll in the course via the contact information shown.